A back and forth in Nelson County Court ends with an agreement from both sides today. WDRB's Darby Bean breaks down what this was all about and how it involved Nelson County schools.
Nelson Circuit Court's back in session.
Inside the Nelson County Justice Center, several people filled courtroom seats Wednesday afternoon. According to court documents, Nelson County taxpayer Donald Thrasher, who says he does not have children in the Nelson County School District, recently got a temporary restraining order to prevent the school board from moving forward with construction contracts related to the board's district facilities plan. A large part of this stems around the potential of Nelson County schools putting middle school and high school students on a shared campus. The district's website shows that in 2021, there were several conversations about the future of its schools, and a vision emerged of a community campus. Thrasher said he felt the newly elected board members who will be sworn in January should have a voice in what happens with future plans.
The conduct of how a board does something, and you shouldn't do something at the last minute, especially with two newly elected board members about to come on within 10 days, and I think that's the overwhelming issue for me.
But an attorney representing the school board argued in court that the public has had several opportunities to voice opinions, and paperwork says the Kentucky Board of Education approved the district facility plan in February of this year. After more than an hour in the courtroom, both sides came to an agreement.
Today was really completely unnecessary. I think the reality is the judge entered an agreement that stated that the restraining order was removed.
The judge also found there was no evidence submitted that the school board failed to comply with requirements. The agreement also states that the board shall not consider matters related to the district facility plan before the new board members join in January.
Essentially, the district and the board team over the last few weeks, as they've looked at bids, agreed that they wanted to continue to evaluate the voice of incoming board members, and that's a part of the process that we've been continuing to engage in.
In Nelson County with photojournalist Chad Cantliner, Darby Bean, WDRB News.